not even hitting him. If you
Here's Duncan.
if you swerve,
He's 13 days old today.
that can create problems.
Say hi, Duncan. I'm Stephen, Mama.
Yourself into being on the side, skidding down the road. And they miss the
Say hi. Oh, say hi. There's Duncan. There's Grammy.
Hi!
And Daddy.
This is the first pictures we've had of everybody since Duncan came into the world.
Yes, this is
2 weeks ago tomorrow.
Yes.
He's almost 2 weeks old.
I know. I heard Cody thumping over there.
Cody in big boy diapers.
I know. We'll video some more later when Duncan wakes up. This is not very exciting. No offense, Duncan. You're awfully cute, though. I guess we'll keep you.